Hi, I'm Itai. I'm the co-founder and president of Puls. Welcome to our office. We deliver an amazing technician to your door in 60 minutes for everything that connects to an outlet and goes wrong in your home. Let's meet the team.
Hi, my name is Laurel. I'm with our dispatch management department. This is where we ensure our technicians are dispatched to our customers within the hour with our customer success team and our dispatch team as well.
Hi, my name is Steven. I'm a partnership manager at Puls. This kiosk here is an example that we have in a retail environment, and we also work with insurance companies, other retailers, manufacturers.
Hey, I'm Nina. I manage product marketing and branding here at Puls. And a year ago, we actually rebranded the company, and to celebrate that, the whole team did a graffiti class here in San Francisco. Well, I can't take credit for this particular mural. We had such a fun time at the class that we actually brought the company back to do a mural in our office.
Hi, I'm JP, head of the Pulse technician community. I make sure our technicians have everything they need on a daily basis to be able to go out and do all of the work that they love to do.
Pulse has over 2,500 technicians across the nation to repair or install anything with an on switch.
Our product team ensures that the experience for customers and technicians is seamless.
We also have offices in San Diego and Tel Aviv.